Topic 7. Repeat incidents and tactical data collection. Repeat incidents are two or more incidents that are similar in nature and have happened at the same place or by the same person and are less frequent than mere incidents. They are usually common non-criminal or interpersonal criminal incidents that may, but do not always result in a crime report. Addressing of repeat incidents begins with identifying addresses with multiple calls for service. The role of crime analysis in addressing repeat incident information is developing a report from which a list of repeat incident addresses is identified. Several considerations factored in the development of the repeat incident report include the type of data used, the temporal length of the data, and the format of the report. Call for service data are used to identify repeat incident locations. More specifically, call for service data relating to disorder, quality of life, and interpersonal disputes are examined. Once the type of report and data have been selected, other considerations for the development of a repeat incident location report include the time period of the report, the number of calls that may constitute a repeat location, and the final content of the report. Tactical crime analysis seeks to identify patterns of crimes that are not easily linked together by focusing on crimes in which the offender and the victim do not know one another and on crimes that are predatory in nature. The types of crimes examined typically include theft from vehicle, auto theft, grand theft, vandalism, commercial burglary, residential burglary, indecent exposure, public sexual indecency, sexual assault, and robbery. Tactical crime analysts examine information about the crime incident, the persons involved in the crime, and vehicles involved in the crime. Modus operandi, a Latin term meaning literally method of procedure, refers to the method of the crime. The key elements of MO include the type of crime, how the crime was carried out, where the crime was committed, and when the crime was committed. The data about a person involved in a crime typically includes a description of the type of contact, the name and addresses of the person, a physical description of the person, and a description of the physical condition of the person at the time of the crime. The types of contacts include investigative lead, mention, suspect, known offender, sex offender, victim, and witness. The physical description is a description of the person's static physical characteristics. These are characteristics that do not change from one day to the next and include age, sex, race, height, weight, eye color, build, teeth condition, hand use, scars, tattoos, marks, and other distinguishing characteristics. Physical condition is a description of characteristics of the person that are not static. In other words, they can be different or changed on purpose from one day to the next or from one crime to the next. They include hair color, hair length, immediate physical condition of the person, facial hair, appearance, complexion, and speech. The third general category of information collected for pattern analysis concerns vehicles. These data are important because vehicles often serve key roles in the commission of crimes. Offenders can use vehicles as transportation to and from the locations of their crimes, as weapons or as methods of entry. Stolen vehicles are often used in the commission of crime. Three types of information are collected about vehicles: official information, physical description, and the nature of the vehicle at the time of the incident. The official information on a vehicle consists of its vehicle identification number, or VIN, which is a unique identifier, and the license plate number and state of issue. The physical description of a vehicle includes the make, model, style, color, the model year, and the general type of vehicle. Information on the nature of the vehicle at the time of the incident includes its status and any other information about the current condition of the vehicle. Field information is another important data source used in tactical crime analysis. Typically, field information is collected on suspicious persons, suspicious vehicles, persons warned for trespassing, and individuals with unique scars, marks, or tattoos.